Hello, guys. I'm coming to y'all with another story of someone unalive, but it's a totally different situation. This man was named Aaron Henderson. Aaron Henderson. And Aaron Henderson had three sons that he was raising. And haven't really went into it, but they said that he was trying to change his life around. But recently, Aaron was unalived by somebody named John Johnson that was driving a forklift. And let me tell you how it happened. They said that Aaron had, took a break to get a breather. He went into the porta potty, sitting there, and all of a sudden, John, with no spotter, all of this was said to be, you know, had the thing 3 or 4 feet high. His view was blocked, so he couldn't see actually what he was doing. And he ran over the porta potty. So that then, in turn, became Aaron's coffin. Aaron in there, just taking a break, trying to take a breather from work to probably catch his breath so he can go out there and finish his day to take care of his sons, not knowing that at that point in time, that was going to be his last breath in that porta potty. They're trying to say that it was an accident, but the family is saying it wasn't no accident because he was supposed to have somebody guiding him. The forklift shouldn't have even been that high because he couldn't see where he was going. He didn't stop, get out to look and see was anything in his way. And that, in turn, took the life of 40-year-old Aaron Henderson. So I'm going to be following this story because, again, things like this touch my heart. I couldn't imagine losing someone to that kind of accident, to all these pow violence. It's just ridiculous how these things are now becoming more, relevant, that you see them more and more and more. So, and then he got kids, 3 young sons that saw their daddy that morning, but he went to work and they didn't see him no more. That was the last day that they sent him, and we're going to see if this was an accident or was this the fault of the forklift driver. Stay tuned for the story. I'm going to be updating y'all, but I just wanted to bring this to y'all because we're going to pray for the family. We're going to uplift the family. And yeah, so keep watching. I'm researching. Yeah, keep the sons in prayer. I haven't found out if he was married or whatever, but pray for his children. Pray for his family. And pray that they get this thing figured out, because the way that they explained that it happened, how would you be on a landfill, on a work site, and not know that a porta potty was right there? So do y'all think it might have been an accident, or do y'all think that it might been what you call it, done intentionally? The word is on my brain, but I just can't get it out. Do y'all think it was an accident, or do y'all think it might have been done intentionally? Because if you knew a porta potty was there, how can you run over and smash it? They said smash it down to the ground. Even if nobody was in there. Still, how would you not know that porta potty was there? But anyway, I'm going to keep y'all updated on this story. So if you want another update, hit the subscribe button. While you're right there, go ahead and tap that notification bell. Drop down in the comments section and tell me, do y'all think this was an accident or do y'all think it was done intentionally? Until my next video, I want to wish each and every one of y'all a blessed morning, night, noon, evening, whatever it may be when y'all see this video. I hope you have a blessed one. Until my next video, peace, guys.